The 2018 Shuttleworth Collection August Airshow took on a family theme, with a wide range of different aircraft and acts on display. The show got underway with an impressive display from the Spitfire, Sea Hurricane and Lysander. Multi-engine military types were also presented, with a dynamic pairing of the Avro Anson and Beech 18, and a pair of Dragon Rapides. The family theme brought a number of formation and aerobatic displays to Old Warden. There was a spirited solo display from the Aero Superbatics wing-walking team, and the little and large duo of full-size and remote control extras provided another unique sight. Winds on the day were kind, which allowed a number of great war types to take to the sky. A notable highlight was the sight of the collection's Bristol F2B, SE5A and Sopwith Camel flying together in formation, as well as the late afternoon performances from the Sopwith Triplane and Avro 504. Two 1930s biplane trainers made memorable impressions, with a graceful solo display from the Booker Youngman, as well as a well-flown three-ship display from the Stomp display team. It wasn't just vintage and aerobatic types on show. The Calidus Autogyro and Rans Ultralight told the story of modern, alternative designs. An undoubted highlight for many at the show was the debut of the Miles Hawkspeed 6, performing for the first time since returning to the collection earlier this year. This wonderful racer performed alongside the collection's Mew Gull in a memorable pairs display. The arrival of the Speed 6 adds to Old Warden's already impressive collection of racers. The Family Airshow delivered a wide array of displays, ranging from gliders and parachuting, right through to barnstorming and high-performance aerobatics. This was a thorough account of airshow history, and another great addition to the 2018 airshow season.